The wind and the sun. So once it was an autumn day. The wind and the sun had an argument. And so the wind boasted, "I am stronger than you." And so the sun mildly said, "No, you're not." And so just then they saw a traveler wrapped in a blanket was passing by. The wind said, "Whoever separates the blanket from traveler is stronger. Do you agree?" And the sun replied, "Okay, first you try." And so the wind started blowing, and the traveler wrapped his blanket around him. He blew harder. The traveler held his blanket firmer. He blew still harder. The traveler held his blanket still tighter. The harder the wind blew, the tighter and firmer did the traveler hold his blanket. And so the wind failed, and it was the sun's turn. The sun smiled gently at the traveler, and the traveler loosened his grip on the blanket, and the sun smiled warmly. The traveler felt the warmth and soon took off the blanket. And soon the sun was declared the stronger. So the moral of the story: gentle smile can achieve what brutal force can't. Thank you.